Welcome. In front of me is an Emporia Smart.5, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, just to swipe down. Do so once more to extend the list of toggles, and here one of those toggles should be hotspot. It looks like this and it's right over here for me. Now once you see this toggle, hold it. This will take you to the settings. So in here, I'm going to select Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can then select things like the hotspot password. This will show you the actual password right here. Now you can use the one that is generated by the phone, or what I recommend doing is removing it and setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can just confirm it. Now, next thing that you have right here is the hotspot name. It's named right here as 5, not really sure why. Probably for Smart 5. But you can obviously change it if you want to, so name it. There you go. You can name it whatever you want. And under advanced, we have a couple additional options like turn off hotspot automatically. I recommend keeping this enabled. This will make it so if you forget about your hotspot, it won't be running indefinitely in the background. It will just turn off automatically after several minutes of inactivity, which is a nice thing to have because hotspot does consume more battery when it's enabled. Now below that we have AP band. We have 2 options, but I recommend keeping it at 2.4, which will ensure that your hotspot functions with any kind of other smart device that you connect to it. So 5, just to kind of clarify this and explain this, 2.4 is an older tech. It works with basically any device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity, while 5 gigahertz will be faster, as you can see we have right here, but not every device will be able to support it. So when you have such a device that can't support it and you enable your hotspot, that other device will simply just not see the hotspot at all. So I recommend keeping it at this, the default 2.4, because this will remove that variable and your hotspot will always work. Maybe not the fastest at that point, but at least you know that it's reliable and always accessible. Anyway, from here, once you have changed all the settings to fit your needs, you can close this, and then whenever you want to actually use your hotspot, you can find the toggle and simply press on it. Now it will then enable, and now you can connect to it. Now, like I mentioned before, I recommend having that option to turn off hotspot automatically enabled. So when you forget about it, the device will turn it off for you, but you can obviously also turn it off yourself, even with that setting, by finding the toggle and tapping on it once more. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.